In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Bluehost Nameservers. If you're managing a website and need to point your domain to Bluehost hosting, understanding how to locate and modify your nameservers is essential. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure your path to navigating Bluehost is clear and easy. First and foremost, you'll want to start by logging into your Bluehost account manager. If you're unfamiliar or haven't accessed your account recently, remember you can do this from the Bluehost homepage by locating the Login button, which is usually at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and sign in. Make sure you remember your login information, as maintaining your website settings often requires accessing your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar and click on the Domains tab. This section is your gateway to all things related to domain management in Bluehost. Here, you can oversee all the domains you own and have a wealth of tools to make sure everything is pointing where it should be. After navigating to the Domains tab, you might be prompted to select the specific domain you want to manage. This is typical if you manage multiple domains under one account. Choose the domain relevant to your task at hand. This action will lead you to a more focused panel for managing the selected domain's settings and configurations. With your domain selected, it's time to focus on nameservers. To do this, look for and click on the Nameservers tab. This is where you can view the current nameservers associated with your domain, allowing you to ensure they're set to their default settings or modify them if you need them to point to different servers. Nameservers play a crucial role in directing traffic from your domain to a particular hosting server, so make sure to handle them carefully. If you find the need to change them, follow Bluehost's guidelines or contact their support team for further assistance to ensure you're making the correct modifications. And there you have it. With these few steps, you've successfully learned to find and manage nameservers for your Bluehost domains. Knowing where to locate these settings will empower you to have better control over your site's direction and functionality. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or setting up a new site, understanding this part of domain management will certainly come in handy. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you now feel more confident in managing your Bluehost account.